All right, so welcome to the fulfillment and setting up an account. It's usually boring, these sort of things, to set up an account and stuff, but I promise you, if you're going to have some fun on the way. So either you're using the white label service, using services like GHL, or you have an account from us. This is what you're going to see, the dashboard. And then we are going to first set up the account in 4 easy steps. And the first one would be getting a phone number. And the phone number, I think it's obvious why it is important. It's to make sure that we can, first of all, demo this to our customers, to our potential customers. Secondly, once they give us the database, then we can just go and fulfill the order and use this number to reach to their database. So in order to do that, you need to click on settings, and then I come to phone numbers. And in here, that's probably what you're going to see. I already purchased 2 numbers, but all you need to do is just click on add new number and then add phone number. Once you click on add phone number, depending when your market is or where you are, just choose the country and make sure the number you buy have SMS capabilities. It just shows this little icon here, and that means SMS. I'm in the UK, so I'm just going to choose UK. And then you see all the numbers that are available in the UK will be shown to me. And all you need to do, you see, there's no SMS here, so make sure you don't buy any of these. You need to buy a mobile number where SMS is possible. So just click on this. I press proceed to buy. I already have 2 numbers, so I'm not gonna do that. But then the number appears right here. Great. That is first one checked. Second is add new user, set up access, and assign phone number. Okay, in order to do that, I just need to scroll to my stuff. I have already added myself here, but it's as easy as add employee. And this is where you add your customers, because anytime there is a message or there is a lead related to them, this is how you can show them. So I'm just going to put, let's say, peer, and then that's all you need, their phone number as well. If you want to, they can use these credentials to log into their app, which I will explain later about. And then second was I need to set up access and assign phone number. So set up access is super important. We need to just go to user permissions and check this one, only assign data. And it says everything that is only related to them they will see, and this is what exactly we want. So, okay, and was to assign the phone number to them. So we are gonna click on this one. The phone number that you bought should exist here, and then you just click on the phone number that you want. That number is already assigned to this user, so just click on that and save, and that is done. So that is your user created. Again, I'm not gonna create this user. I already have one. You get the idea. So add new user checked. Remember, you can serve as many as customers you want on their one account. So for any customer that you get, hopefully this list will be very full very soon, but for any customer you get, you need to come and create a user for them. So first of all, they have a dedicated phone number to message their database. Second of all, if there is any communication, they can come and see how this campaign is performing for them. So that's the second step done, and now we are getting to the fun parts. So I just need to go back, and here in this menu you can scroll down to see AI Assistant. So once you click on AI Assistant, probably in your account again there is empty, but what you need to do, you need to create new and then reselling assistant to begin with. So here, company name, as you can see, I've been playing with it, but let's say you want to set it up for, let's say, a dentist. So I'm just going to root dentist near me. I'm going to use a real life example so you can actually see how it works. Places, blah, blah, teeth and face. Looks like a big company. So what I need is their website. Just get their website. Perfect. So I have their website here. I just need to go back, put their website. It was teeth and face, and that's the assistant name. It can be your customer's name, or if they want to give this assistant any name, their AI assistant, they can do it. So I'm just gonna go with Sarah. And next, you'll see that once you put the company's URL there, You don't need to really fill out this company description. The AI will just go read their website. Now the AI knows everything, literally everything about their business here, which is perfect. And then a booking link, if they have it on their website, great. If not, it's something that you should ask um, your customers to give it to you if they want the AI to book an appointment for them, let's say. So book now, probably there should be a link here. Yeah, that is their booking link, right? So I'm just going to copy this link and I'm going to tell AI that, hey, this is their booking link. If somebody's interested, do that. First message, let's say it's a database reactivation and they have a bunch of dead leads that they haven't converted yet, or customers that they came once and they never came back. So we can use this one to go and just pull out the first name of their customer. So I need to come and say, hey, we have a full tutorial on this one, how you can create an offer and stuff, but I'm just going to put something quick. This is Sarah from Teeth and Face, I think it was. We are updating our database. Is this still the correct number for whatever the first name was? And then you can also add respond stop if you don't want to receive message from us. So again, in the offer, I'll just explain why we should do all this, but it's just a quick setup. And qualifying questions like if or reselling questions. The first one can be we have 10 free teeth whitening coupon left. Should we save you one? So you can do all this later, but I'm just then the answer is positive. So this is the first one. That is where we put the offer down, and then the second is like a do you live within 5 miles or whatever qualifying questions that your customers give you. I'm just going to leave it to that one. You get the idea. So this is created, done, perfect. And then this part is done, an assistant is created, and then copy workflow. So Sarah should be somewhere here now. There she is. All I need to do now is just to copy this code here and then go to automation, and you will see a bunch of stuff here that might look a bit overwhelming. Don't worry about any of these. They're locked anyway. You can't do much with them. But because it's a reselling, you need to just go to this folder here and then duplicate. You see, as you can see here, I already duplicated once for a customer. But all I need to do is just literally duplicate this one, click on the 3 dots, duplicate workflow. I'm going to say reselling customer. Let's say our customer is, what was it, teeth and face. And then the rest you can just leave it there. It doesn't matter. And once you do that, for every customer, every new customer, you have to do this one. So you just click on that. And then all you need to do as the last step to set up the whole thing before AI take over and do everything else is I just need to come and update Site Assistant. What you need to do is just come and paste the code here. Click Save, Publish, and done. Setup is done. Congratulations. You have done the hard work. And from now on, all we need to do is just to get really orders and then fulfill them. And the fulfillment side, we've already done part of it. We set up the offer and stuff for this campaign. And I just need to import, let's say, you get a customer, you want to either impress the customer themselves, or you want to, let's say, get their database and stuff. So you just need to come to, the first step would be import the contacts and add tags. To import contacts, you just need to get their database in format in CSV format, import database, and just drop the file here and import it. But for the purpose of this one, I'm just gonna, let's say, I just want to try this AI that we just built, the assistant that we just built, you can just click on this plus and then add a contact that way. So let's say I want to demo this to my customer, and I'm going to put their phone number here. And then boom, contact is created. It's the same when you create a contact or import contacts. This is what you're going to see. The second step was to make sure that you build a smart list. I'm going to go through that also in a bit later. Assign them to a customer. So how to assign them? All you need to do is just come and assign it to the user that you built. So if I have the owner of Teeth and Face, I'm just going to come and assign this contact here, and you're done. All you need to do is choose the contacts that you want to reach for this customer, choose their database, click on this robot head, and put them in the correct workflow that we created. The workflow name was Teeth and Face. So I'm just going to test, name it, whatever you're comfortable with. I've connected my phone and you should see this one. Right, so there it is. Here's the message. I'm just going to open it up. We see, boom. Hey Murdoch, this is Sarah from Teeth and Face. You're updating our database. Is this the correct number for? Now, the reason we send a message like this is literally maybe we haven't contacted, or the customer hasn't contacted these contacts for a while. So you're not lying. We're updating the database of our customers here. But what we are really trying to do here is just to get their the first answer a yes or no. So we just break like a commitment into smaller yeses. So if I go back to the one we just created, Sarah, manage and come to system type. We see the messages we typed here. We could add multiple questions, but for the purpose of this, I would just add this one. So I'm like, yes, and you'll see how actually AI is going to respond to all this, which is quite cool. Since we educated AI on the customer, now the AI knows everything, literally everything about the customer, about their business and stuff. So if people start asking questions, oh, who are you again? What is Teeth and that? Blah, blah, so AI can respond. So if we go back to this screen on my phone, great, thank you for confirming that I have an exciting offer for you. We have 10 free teeth whitening coupons left. Should we save you one? So you see the offer is here, but I can just say, remind me who you are again, because realistically not every answer is yes, no, and stuff. So we need to, especially before you send it to the customer, just test it. Just test this AI, send a few messages back and forth, and first of all, get excited by how amazing it can respond. But at the same time, it's just great to test it. So when you send it to customer and then test it, it's about their business. They want to know what AI is going to talk about, how AI is going to talk about their business and stuff. So they can just see it, exactly that. So of course, I'm Sarah from Teeth and Face, and then Tolan. Facial, blah, 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 located in Birmingham, blah, blah. We offer this and that. So you just access this data to basically answer the questions. And if it doesn't know the answer, it just tells them, I'll get back in touch with you, or get one of our team members to get back in touch with you. That is how it's prompt. And as you can see, also, it keeps asking the same question, so it doesn't forget its objective. So would you like me to reserve one for you? And if I say, yes, sounds good. Yeah, sounds good. Your customers might want some extra criteria, like, hey, just make sure they live still within the 5 miles, or hey, can they do it within this time and that time? You can just add all this here. Like if I want to know, okay, are you able to redeem this one in the next, I don't know, 2 weeks and stuff. So yes, and as you can see, it just accessed the link that we provided here in setting this up. No, that wasn't the link. Yeah, it was here. It just wrote it in the prompt. So if I click on this one, it takes me directly to their booking page, and boom, you will have a happy customer services delivered right there and then, without you or customers getting involved in a conversation, which is really, really, really powerful. Save a lot of time, and also at the same time, you don't want to, like, if somebody asks a question and they wait days and days for an answer, they might just go find somewhere else. So it's so important you're doing your customer a massive favor to get back in touch with their leads straight away. They'll see the power of this, they understand the power of this, and also it's a really great way to get the customers in the first place. You see how long it took me just to build the whole thing. And once you know your way around it, it probably takes maybe 2 to 3 minutes to build the whole thing. And then you can outreach and ask people, hey, Mr. Teeth and Face, I just created this AI for you. You can just generate leads without ads, this and that. Would you like to test it? Yes. And if they come here and they keep testing it, they realize, wow, how powerful this AI is. So I hope you enjoyed this one. The setup is not too much, and as we promised, it's probably you don't need to be a tech guru to figure this out. But still, we have a support team in the group, Facebook, or you can reach our school group just to ask your questions, and me or my team are always there to respond as soon as possible, as soon as we can, solve any problem you have to make sure that you can deliver top-notch services to your customer.